input ways and another one is output ways. That input ways is nothing but we can say that LSB bit and MSB bit we can connect it directly ground connection. So then we can get the output is equal to 0 for this input case. Okay, input path. So now what is the in between middle lines means these two lines we can consider as the output lines actually, and these two lines input lines. Okay, so input lines are always connected to the ground, then we'll get the output becomes 0, then we'll get the input becomes 0. Now what is the output means, how we will get that output means, here just observe. For example, I am taking the input bit. Input bit is nothing but first I am considering exceeded 9. So where we are getting the exceeded 9 for 10 possibility, right? 1010 is getting the minterm as 1, right? So then I can choose it here the sum as 1010. Okay, I can take it S4, S3, S2, S1 bits as 10 here 1010. Okay, so just I am considering here the number as 1010. Now finding this logic output. So this is connected, AND gate is connected S4, S3. So 1 into 0, 0. And next this is connected with S4 and this is connected with S2. So 1 into 1, 1. So 1 plus 0 directly we can say that here 1. Okay, so directly we can say that output is 1, you can represent here. Okay, so here the output y is equal to the 1. So this output is represented here. What is the output line? How many output lines we are consider here? 2 output lines, right? So these 2 output lines will represented as this one. So here this is the output line and here this is the output line. Okay, so those two will be represented as only 1. So then check it here, 0110. The final output becomes 0110. So that is equal to the 6 now. So now whatever the 6 we are getting here from 4-bit adder is going to add this sum. Okay, now this 4-bit number is added to this 1010 sum. So that means 1010 with added with 0110. So whatever the result we are getting here, that result is final sum for this 4-bit adder. Okay, so whatever the result by adding, after adding this 10 number to the 6 number, so whatever the result we are getting, that is the final sum for this 4-bit adder. Okay, so that means now this 4-bit adder is going to add this sum lines with 6. So your correction is done. Okay, your correction is going to done by this 4-bit adder. Then when whatever the 4-bit adder output is there, that is the actual sum. Okay, so whatever the output we are having first 4-bit adder, that is added with the 6 if any correction is there. So directly that 6 is added with this sum. That means this is already correction bit. That means why? Because this is already greater than 9 now. So this is added with this 6. Then we can say that this 6 is added with this number. Then whatever the result, final result we are getting after adding these two numbers, that is the final sum for this 4-bit adder. Okay, so this is the one procedure. And one more procedure here. If you mention, if you want to consider the number is less than 9, like some 5 number you can consider here in between S4, S3, S2, S1 numbers are 5 number you can consider. Okay, so that is exceeded, it's not going to greater than 9. Directly we can say that. So then what is the procedure? If you are going to take the less than 9 number, so what is the main procedure? That means what going to happen? Okay, so in that case, if the number is less than 9 and if maybe carry is generated, okay, so another logic here, if the number is less than 9 and in that case carry is generated maybe, so what happens, that carry is directly we can represent here. Okay, so if this number is not going to less than, not going to greater than 9, so directly we can say that if carry is generated, that carry is present at output side. So this one is present here. That means automatically this number is 6 number now. So directly you can say that this 0110 is added with 5. Okay, so whatever the final result we are getting, that is the actual sum. That is the second step. Okay, the first step is greater than 9, then add with 6. The second step is less than 9 or maybe carry is generated. That is the second logic. And the third logic, that is nothing but is the third so what is the third case means, if carry is not generated and it is not going to greater than 9 number. So that means it is less than 9 and there is no carry. That is the third case. So what going to happen means there is no 6, we need no need to consider 6 for this addition of sum. Okay, no need to consider that. Don't bother about that if carry is not present and if the number is not greater than 9, don't bother about that. What about 6 means? Here there is no 6 for that case actually. Why? Because means directly we can say that it is less than 9 and there is no carry. Directly whatever the less than 9 number we are getting for this sum, that is represent here. Okay, at that case what happens means this logic is 0, this logic is 0 and carry is 0. So automatically we are getting the all outputs will be 0. So no need to add that, right? So directly 4 zeros with added with this number means again the same number will be present. Is it right? If the carry is equal to 0 and the sum is less than 9 number, so what happens? Here the sum will be compulsory. That means sum will be compulsory represent the 0 logic here. So 0 into 0 and next 0 here. So add these values. So this logic is 0. Suppose I am taking here one more number, you can understand easily. So I can consider as 4 number 1 0 0. Okay, so this is a 4 number. I can represent 1 0 0. Sorry, this is not 4 number, this is 8 actually. So 4, that means it is satisfy the condition that is less than 9 number. Now 1 0 0 is the 4. So now multiply this logic actually. So S4 S3, 0 into 1 0. Next 1 into 0, that means this is S4 into S2, right? So this is